Chef Matthew from Kurriosity, the social network that's larger than life. And I'm here to show you how to make great, healthy food right in your home. Today at Kurriosity.com, we're going to make a smart and healthy Greek style flatbread. All you need is a few ingredients and 5 minutes of your time. We're going to start out with some baby arugula and shredded iceberg lettuce on top of a flour tortilla. I'm going to set that right in the center. We have some chopped plum tomatoes. Kalamata olives.
Action.
Diced cucumbers. Some diced red onion. We're going to top it up with a little bit of crumbled feta cheese. Pinch of dried Greek oregano. We're going to finish with our low-fat red wine vinaigrette. We're going to top it off with some chicken right off the grill. We're going to top it off with a little bit of Greek yogurt. And there you go. Greek style chicken flatbread.